So if you are on the keto, carnivore, low carb, high fat protein diet, this is a good one. I put pork rinds in my meatloaf and my salmon patties. You can even make meatballs with it. If you like weird textures, if you're not a weird texture person, this probably isn't gonna be for you. But we're gonna make either, I used to say salmon and my kids just would cringe. So we're gonna use salmon. Can use tuna. I don't know which is best for you. You can put it in the comments if you know. I like these kind of can openers. I have a Pampered Chef, but it's in a different location because I'm a crafter. On my Friday videos, I release my products. I sell craft products. And because of what it does to the edges, it makes it not cut you. So that's nice. Okay, so we're gonna drain this. Actually, I want all that juice in there. Probably you could drain this. Might be too juicy. Okay, so then I would save the can and use it for craft. Salmon looks disgusting. It has eye sockets or something in there, but my girl couldn't take it, but I love it. So we're leaving the juice, but you can drain it. I am not putting any flour, cornmeal, or anything because I'm trying to do this low keto, okay? But you could put you some cornmeal in here. You could crunch up some crackers. You could put oatmeal in there. I love to do weird stuff, but my husband is a simple man. And so I am doing high protein, so I want 2 eggs, but you could get away with 1 egg per can of fish, okay? FYI, cute bowls make everything better, okay? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get my cast iron skillet heated up. You don't have to do that, but it puts iron in your food. I love cast iron. But this is a great little, used to be $10, and it's a mini waffle. This is so good for cheeses and all the weird stuff you can make. So I haven't done this yet, but we're gonna make one in here. So I got that heated up. We're doing high fat, low carb, high protein, butter. It will crisp it up a little bit more. So I may do that, but you could just use a cooking spray. Okay, so this is the twist that I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna use these because these are from Buc-ee's. So I'm just gonna eat these. But you can use a flavored pork rind. This is what gives it the weird texture that I love. Because, so this is just a regular pork, plain pork rind, cheap. Use the cheap stuff because you're adding all this stuff. But this will suck up your seasoning and they get kind of like, okay, this is gonna sound gross, but like, again, if you like weird textures and contrast of flavors and taste and stuff, you will love how this does in your meatloaf, which I'm not doing that one today, but I will make a video of that, or your patties. And you can crunch them up, but I love them big and they're just almost chewy. They're weird. Slightly crunched. One of my favorites, it's just garlic, salt, got a little herbs and pepper in it. Again, I would burn these. Let's chop that stuff up. Watch some of my wood burning techniques. You could use one of these. This is Pampered Chef, but you could use a cheap one. Scrunch it up if you want. I just get in there and go, you know. That's it. But I will definitely have to order or put more pork rinds. Let's just put the whole rest of the bag in. So I might have to add another egg if I get it too dry. But that's basically all I do besides form it and fry the dog mess out of it. I like my stuff burnt. I am so weird. Do you eat like you dress? Leave it in the comments. That's a weird one, but it's true. But I eat how I dress. Contrast, colors, texture, bold, crazy, spicy, salty, sweet. You know what I'm saying? I put it on a post one time and people, the weird people got me. The other people are like, okay, whatever. Okay, so this, look, I'm just chopping that up. Okay, it's looking like a decently dry. So it's probably about a half a bag of pork rinds, 1 can of salmon, 2 eggs, and seasoning. Medium and not burn it. but I, again, like burnt stuff, so we're going for it, okay? So, probably could use a little bit more to this because I put all those, okay. Now, woo, I think I got it too hot, so let me cool this off. Woo, we got smoke coming. Sometimes I toast my bread straight on this, just like that. But I've been trying not to eat bread, so, you know. Okay, do I have any butter in there? There's no butter in the butter dish, darn it. Real butter, not margarine. Margarine is 1 molecule away from plastic. Don't do it. Oh yeah, a little hot, a little hot. Woo! Okay, turn that sucker down. Okay, I want a lot of butter. Squish them. You could probably make these into like, watch. You could probably do like this and make meatballs. See? I've never done this, so we'll see how it goes. See that thing on there? Do you guys do this? So my college girl had just left the nest and she texted me and said, I need some of those chip clips. Where do you get them? And I was like, what is she talking about? Chip clips? I don't get what the big deal is about finding some chip clips. Clothespins. She didn't know. So Grandma, me and Grandma used to do some clothespin action. Did you? Of course, my mother-in-law painted up some cute. On a Pinterest worthy with corbels, cute poles, clothesline again someday. It's like nostalgic. And wear an apron and you will also feel like Proverbs 31. Okay? So good. Dip this in some ranch. You know, a lot of your sauces have a lot of sugar in them though, so you can home make them. You can make them with yogurt, sour cream. But I love the buttermilk ranch mix. It's just the best. But it probably has sugar in it, but you know, I'm not gonna get crazy. I'm still trying to live life here. So mustard, you could dip it in Louisiana hot sauce. Get creative with your sauces. So let's plate the food. Okay. So these two turned out like a patty, but the other, I was impatient, and so it's kind of, you know, fell apart, but I don't care. Done. Pull this off to the side. I've got lots of little crumbs. And I want to show you the chaffle. Look at this. Is that not great? But I'm going to do them thinner so they get even more crispy, because you see me kept squishing the little mini waffle irons. So every Wednesday I release a lifestyle. It could be fashion, food, tips and tricks, life hacks. It's all the life part of decorating your life. Fridays are DIY and craft. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please help us sister out. Okay.